Welcome to EuroVelo Route 15 and Mannheim, Germany. It's stage 5 of my bikepacking trip, Italy to England. A beautiful day in prospect, sun and blue skies. Today's route continues north following the mighty Rhine River, a land of castles, cruises and camping, ending at Bacharach, a fairy tale town in the Rhine gorge. Today's route is pancake flat and covers 135 kilometres. Good morning, day 5, Mannheim, pressing on northwards. Let's see how it goes. Crossing back over the Rhine, 24 kilometres to Worms. That's the first checkpoint.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't know.
6 kilometres to Worms, and it's getting a little bit more busy.
Cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me.
Worms, it's a very ancient city, and it has a really nice cathedral which is associated with Martin Luther. And in the square here, they commemorate it with some statues to Martin Luther. As I leave Worms, heading north, I must say it's a very beautiful city, well worth a visit. And it's just a shame that I don't have longer to spend having a look around. I just want to mention the signage around here. You might think, if you're like me, that it would be very clearly signed, and you can't really go wrong because it's the EuroVelo 15 and it looks like this. But every few kilometres or so you'll come to a junction and there'll be 2 or 3 or 4 or more cycleways. There's cycleways absolutely everywhere, and you end up taking a fork which is not clearly signposted. So you're okay once you're on the main cycle route, it's dead straightforward. But I've spent so much time check-navving myself, it's just taken so much time, and I've made loads and loads of mistakes. Maybe it's a function of being tired, and so I'm missing some of the signs. But just now I just went past a little Y fork and absolutely no signs. I took the left one, ended up dead end at the river, and there's no reason for it. Why didn't they just put a sign up? So that's my rant over. Actually, it's been brilliant. There are cycleways absolutely everywhere, so even if you do go wrong, you can soon pick an alternative route. It's fabulous. A cycleway through the Vineyards. I think they grow Riesling here, produce the famous Liebfraumilch. That's the first bit of climbing in about 160 kilometres. It's nice just to come up and have a look at the view, the vista, looking down on the Rhine, see some big ships. And having a look at the book here, I would say that I'm on the Route Hang, just between Nierstein and Leichenheim. And I'm about 15 kilometers away from Mainz. Just look at that, wonderful. It's nice to have something to eat when you first arrive. I'm going to have a sort of pot noodle thing, an Italian version of a pot noodle. Then I'm going to go take a shower and have a beer. But just replenish those energy levels. That's the first thing. See that there? Can you see that little scorch mark? Well, that scorch mark is because there's a leak in the gas hose and there was a backflash. Even though I had the shield around it, the gas from that little leak must have got into the flame and there was a quick flash and then it went out. But when I wet my fingers and put it over the hose, there was a hiss. So I'm not using that anymore. That's dangerous. Luckily, I've got a backup. I've got my little one from LIECHTENSTEIN, so just use that instead. Some sort of Japanese flavoured pot noodle. That's what it looks like inside. Here's the sauce. Pour the water in, and then it says you use the lid to drain off the excess. Smells pretty good.
A single pot noodle is clearly insufficient to fuel a bike trip like this, so after my shower I went up to the bar and restaurant terrace for a more substantial evening meal, and probably the best one of the trip. And that concluded stage 5.